Setting a limit order allows you to control the price at which you buy or sell a stocks. That's why in this video I want to consider how to set a limit order to manage your stock purchase price. How to set a limit order to manage your stock purchase price. So we want to consider steps to set a limit order. Steps to set a limit order. Number one, log into your brokerage accounts. You first of all, you log into your brokerage account. You use your brokerage platform, that's the online or your mobile app. Ensure you have sufficient funds or shares in your account to execute the order. You check up your cash balance or you check up the number of shares you have before you continue. Number two, select the stocks. Search for the stock you want to trade by entering its ticker symbol or name. Just go to the platform. You want to, maybe you want to buy Apple, you could type in Apple. It will bring up Apple for you. Maybe in Nigeria, you want to buy Guaranteed Trust Bank. You simply type GTCO. It will bring up Guaranteed Trust Bank for you. So choose the order type. Select limit order from the list of orders, order type available on the platform. In my own platform, I use I'm not advertising for my let me not name the broker, my brokers. If you want to know it, you can ask in the comment section. So you select limit order. In my own platform, we have just two orders there, market order and limit order. So you just select limit order from the list available. And number four, enter the order details. All right. So for a buy limit order, specify the maximum price you are willing to pay for the stock. The order will only execute if the market price drops to your limit price or lower. Maybe you want to buy a stock. So, okay, this is the price at which I want to buy. You simply input that particular price there. You input the price there. Then for a sell limit order, specify the minimum price you are willing to accept for the stock. The order will only execute if the market price rises to your limit price or higher. Simply do what? You simply key in the price you want to sell. All right, that's as simple as that. Number five, specify the quantity. After the order, you have to input the quantity you want to buy or the quantity you want to sell. Enter the number of shares you want to buy or sell at that price limit. Then number six, you set the duration. Choose the time frame for the order. Just my platform close to the order, close to the order type is the duration. It could be for a day, it could be for 7 days, it could be for whatever number of days you find here. So it could be a day order. It expires at the end of the trading day if not executed. Then it could be good till cancelled. It remains active until it's executed or you cancel it, usually up to 90 days, depending on the broker. I think my own is it a week or so highest? I've forgotten. Around a week or so. That's maybe 14 days. And then there are other time frames. Some brokers offer additional time in force options, such as such as specific expiration time. So it differs from broker to brokers. Number seven, review the order. Double check all details, including the stock ticker, limit price, quantity, and duration. Please don't make a mistake of selling instead of buying or buying instead of selling. It happens. You may end up discovering that you just executed a sale instead of you had a desire of buying, you ended up selling. So review your orders critically before you before you press submit. So you now place the order. After you review the order, you're satisfied, you now place the order. Confirm and submit the order. The platform will display a confirmation screen and you receive a notification when the order is executed. So you get a confirmation screen. They show you either buy or sell, quantity, this and that, order type and everything. You ask to confirm or to place the order. You go ahead and then you confirm the order. And once the order is executed, it will give you a notification. You will receive a threat alert, on your phone and your email as well. Example, if you want to buy 50 shares of company XYZ currently trading at $55, but only if the price drops to $55, $52 or lower. In that case, you could set in and then set a buy limit order for 50 shares with a limit price of $52. If the stock price falls to $52 or below, your order will be executed at the available price, not exceeding your limit, which is of what? Which is $52. That is how it works. So advantages of limit orders. You have price control. It ensures you don't pay more for a buy or sell for less for a sell than your specified price. So you will sell at the right price and you equally buy at the right price. Then there's what is called another advantage there is flexibility. Apart from price control, there's flexibility. You can plan trades based on market conditions, based on volatility, based on market condition. You could plan your order accordingly. Disadvantages of limit orders. Number one is no execution guaranteed. There is no guarantee that you could get it at the price. Sometimes, if the price is set for a day, all through the day, you will not be able to execute your trade. You end up getting it. It gets cancelled after the day. So there is no guarantee of execution. Then there's partial fill. Depending on the market liquidity, only part of your order may be filled. This is very interesting. You see a message displayed. I think how do they put it? Partially executed. So you may end up buying some shares, some portion, and the remaining portion you may not be able to buy because non-availability of the stock at that particular price. So by setting a limit order, you can take control of your stock purchases and sales, ensuring they align with your price expectation and investment strategy. It's very important you understand these orders. It will serve you a lot as an investor or a trader.